case we have right now is 47. What the Honorable CM already told us that we have to be very careful and we have to be very cautious, but should not be panic, because we are in the last stage of this course. So it's something like which whenever you thinking of the last, there will be a lot of pressure. Pressure come because some people wanted to finish fast, some wanted to little bit longer. We have to get, we should not get lost. So this time we should not put the panic button, because I'm just thinking that it's around December it will be very safe for us.
So we have two COVID units. We have COVID A and COVID B. And COVID A, we give those patients which don't require oxygen just for observations. And in the COVID A, we have 42 beds. We have of that 22 male and 16 female beds. In that we have a trauma and those requiring oxygen. And trauma bed we have 17, and those which require oxygen we give in the downstairs. And we have 19 beds comprising of 13 male and 6 female beds.
I complain yes, but I want to really appreciate the doctors and the paramedical staff, nurses of the RIMS and the whole state. The particularly RIMS, why you are dealing it very professionally and ethically. You are dealing it. Everywhere that happens, but mainly as a superintendent chief, our recovery rate is very high, 85%, particularly in the RIMS, but generally for the overall state, we have about 68 to 70%. And yesterday also I have briefed the press. People, please don't feel panic. COVID as of now, just under control. Out of 1,600, half of the patient is from the paramilitary forces, which is coming from the outside the state, and half of the patient is from the state. Yes, we are having some doubt of community spreading in some particular area, say like Thobal Moijing, we did suspect, but immediately we have overcome the situation. And now some part of, inside the Imphal area, some Pauna Bazaar or somewhere, but we have already announced it as a containment zone, and our health department also doing well. Overall, I am satisfied. Sidaida Kanagumbagi export Yobiranguni. Pregnant women's Karikari Sikisum KSC Yam Toina Kra Kanoni Avoid Rims Katakinatepo, Tumsum Taba, the Moigi Tonganba, Kitan care to Weaba, Moigi Hambi Weaba, Tongan Maduki care to Weabagi, Kudum Sabsi, Superintendent Laikadra. Oh, Taranjasule. And the Sikisi, Kitan Kramaito Roga, Kamina Moida service Fazana provide to Wungam with the gay. Kamina Quina Perito Shigebo, Madam Kitan Session to be the Amani Quina.
We can have, but the only thing is that there has to be consultation of the physician and the medical superintendent of the department. We can have it, no problem.
Mainly the Kenotoshi. Aigi opinion, COVID killing in Marx, the Maruina delivery Kadiki, pregnant woman, Sigi Lapse, Mashi Moishineva Yamna, sensitive issues. Yamana Parida. I don't know. Separate COVID Kilapaganda. General Duga Punan the number. Maduki Dunta is the Kitan Tunane. MS near the name Hamina Viraga, Lady was Pierce, not on the Tongana, the way again about that kind of facility. Great to Washington. I think Amana, I will get 3 ANC check before admitting pregnant women. She library. She compulsory way, brother.
Sir, masi
kano
honorable.
taki rims ka taki nati ko.
Honorable sir, masi we have compromised everything.
Okay.
Any patient coming, refer, emergency, serious, irrespective of how many times they attended, ako'y duming sanday.
Okay.
Their care is never, ako'y na relaxed.
Sir, Honorable CM and dignitaries on the dais, just now, Sanalji, Hungary no question law. 3 antenatal checkup like Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in Matung Inna earlier National Rural Health Mission 2005 Horapadagi 3 antenatal checkup say Tau Haina Haide Adu Matung Tavada antenatal checkup is Maribu Tau and Haide as per the guideline of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Apoi trimester and Tangkak ha ohum na quick aduna first trimester da amutang do registration time da mukta haiba adigi second gi trimester tha ahum da mukta haiba then last gi da ahum ahum diman da mukta haiba adigi last mata ko ka do EDD gi at least 14 days da taw haiba admain taw da na guideline ma tumi na din lai sir.
Not only in the limbs, actually, NOC COVID positive over ma local person pasi mathenge. Adagi pora kanda hospital yor kanda madu ki pet usenda belang na pasi ma thenge. See, I feel lack of communication between the state government, machineries and the concerned hospital to be sigi coordination kara gap lewe mal. Adun patient to la akanda hospital to be makada adun keno da ngai raga thambasi me yapoi thoi. Koi hospital to be makada ambulance adun thambasi. Sima kitang ekoi how to take care maduma. Adagi kanano man nare ne keno me yumda leire like I did am thuni puthoni ngina. Keno do adu gumbagi pot tumaga. I see kharasi ekoi manage over fajana ngamaga de ing asagi consumable testing consumable do jeki repeat test ki do yaraga de diet na have another 3000 kits kumam su lai hai adu ngasagi ngasai madam keno na happy ke bodo testing consumable si koi rims na lai na bal shi to biro de ke mang ekoi ki state government issue kara lai raga biraga hamaga kaungna na boduma aduma parme adagi pregnant women singi do keno to orkanda director da keno ko ki MS ka to biraga head of department unabiraga sam ko ki space le raga di pregnant women priorities is tham ja ge priority keno le raga di covid ki hoina covid patient da pregnant ko adugum basine ba yam sensitive ko adugum du ki tonga na ma thamna ba even doctors adugi jongana doctor se assign dorga thangi ko mukhara systematically professionally to virimina adu dumai pamje adagi nasagi ihan han bada ko public contact response si amaru ibni na ko hotline si phajana wahi bata phajana haibani ama phajana masigi covid related matter sidai da sima tawonjaningi adagi ngasagi ina haje ki ba ki bed number of beds je until the let akoina kano si vaccine ji putok tri bombi we have to be prepared and idea minor thong maduna at least uje lai ris de ki khara serious patient ji kano ko madi ko sida to gumse asymptomatic mild sindi we should not admit here ko miles gumba kano da kari awre ko mild adum mududi asymptomatic काम को देखो कि नहीं दिवसे we are going to develop in the Kumalapa we have already developed in the कोई मनांगो देखिए उना को सुगम बड़ा तो विषय है देखो even हो जितनी home isolation we have permitted home isolation mild gumba asymptomatic से home isolation यार है देखो अदुन यारेंगे except crucial तो इबा symptomatic को इबा अदु गumba oxygen की दरकार लेबा अदुगी कैनो की दरकार लेबा अदु गumba patient न तो ना कोई रिम से सुतम जुतम मोशे ना मा I think that will be okay ना अदु home isolation यार मैंने यारेंगे कोई ना home दा isolate out तो का लेने ना बा अदु मो विशेष से जरी प्रो ना हाई को खर्च के तो बिरगा डाउन रगा कोई अदु फेस हो गो मम्मी